Hi, my warm greetings from Barcelona. Today's topic is the focal point in composition and one more method to emphasize the focal point, an inversion contrast. As it was told, the focal point has to be visually attractive area in composition. To convert an element into a focal point, we use contrast. We create an element different from the rest of elements in composition. We discovered that difference of size, when an element of particular size is only one in composition, creates strong contrast. To exclude this kind of contrast, let's place several elements of each size on our limited plane. Some big elements, some medium, and some small. Now the element of each size has a brother twin in our composition, so neither of them can be seen as the focal point. How is possible to convert an element into a focal point without removing all the other elements of the same size? We can mark one of elements by inverted accent. Let's add a small area of background inside of one of the big elements. Now this big element stands out of all the rest of its size. At the same time, small area of background is also accentuated by inversion among the other small elements. Does it look as a working option? It does. When two accentuated elements are working together, it definitely makes strong contrast. There are more options to accentuate focal point. I'll tell you in next videos what they are exactly. In time I am creating new videos in composition. You can take a look at my book, Composition in Painting, Basics and Examples. There is a link in description to this video. Don't forget to subscribe, to give likes, and I'll be happy to read your comments. It's all for now. Have a good time. See you soon.